Hello and welcome to Electronics Hobbyist channel, where we explore the world of electronics. In today's video, we will learn how to write our first Arduino program. Before we begin, let's make sure we have everything we need. First, we need an Arduino board and USB cable to connect the two. We also need the Arduino software installed on our computer or Android device. In my case, I am using computer. You can download the software for free from the Arduino website for computer or for Android device from Google Play Store. Once we have everything set up, let's start by opening the Arduino software. This is where we will write our program. When we open the Arduino software, we see an interface that has two main functions, which we will discuss shortly. The first thing we need to do is to define the pin we will be using. For this example, let's use pin number 13. We will do this by adding the following line at the beginning of our code: int for integer, LED equal 13 number, semicolon. Now let's write in the void setup function. Void setup is a function in Arduino that runs once when the board is powered on or reset. It's used to initialize variable, configure the pin modes, and set up any libraries or components that will be used in the main program. pinMode is an important function in the Arduino programming language that allow you to configure a specific pin on the Arduino board as an input or output pin. When you declare a pin as an output, you can use it to control external devices like LEDs, motors, or other circuits. Conversely, when you declare a pin as an input, you can read signals from external device connected to that pin. This function is critical to creating project with the Arduino board, and it is essential to understand how it works. Next, let's write the loop function. This function runs repeatedly as long as Arduino is powered on or reset. In this case, we will be turning the LED on and off in a loop function. So here we will write digitalWrite LEDs, high, semicolon. digitalWrite is a function that allows you to control an output pin on the Arduino board. You can use it to turn external devices like LEDs on or off by sending either a high or low signal to the pin. It's fundamental function in Arduino programming, and it's essential to understand how to use it to create project with the board. Then we will use delay. Delay is an Arduino function that pauses the program for a specified amount of time in milliseconds. It is useful for adding timing to our program. Now we'll make LED low for 500 milliseconds. So this code may tell the Arduino board to turn the LED on for 500 milliseconds and then turn it off for 500 milliseconds. The loop function means that the code will run repeatedly until we stop it. And finally, let's add some comments to explain what our code does. And here the full code with the comment. And now we will compile our code. After compiling done, we will select board type and connected COM port with computer, and then we will make it upload to our board. After uploading the code, LED start to blink. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Arduino tutorial and projects. Thank you for watching.